Welcome to Topaz Church Manager User Tutorial. In this tutorial we will discuss how to use the Church Staff feature. Every institution needs to have detailed information about its workforce. This feature allows the user to enter information about their staff. To access this, click on the Data Entry menu, select Church Staff and click on Add/Edit Staff. The first step is for basic info. Fill in the necessary information in each field. Let's start by adding a picture at the left side of this form. Click on Browse to select a staff picture from your computer. Your picture will be loaded. Next, you can click on Generate to let the system generate a number for you. This will only be possible if you set it up at the System Number feature of the software. Or you can enter your staff ID manually. I will type in the number 1008. And first name. For this tutorial, I will use the name Mavis. Type in the staff last name in the next field. And other names, if any. Next, select a marital status. As usual, you will only have options to select from if you set up your marital status at the Setups section of the software. Select the staff's title. This will also only be possible if you have set it up. Or you can click on Create New to create a new one if you have not set up what you need. Enter in the staff date of birth. Use the calendar icon by the date of birth field to select a date. Select the staff gender. You can enter in a primary email, and a secondary email if any. Next, type in the staff primary phone number. Select a church branch if you have set it up. Or click on Create New to add a new one. Select the staff position. This will also only be available if you have set it up. Or you can click on Create New to set a new one. Use the calendar icon to select the date the staff was appointed. Click on Save and continue to move to the next step. This step is for contact. Enter in all the necessary information if available. Click on Save and continue to move to the next step, which is for family info. Fill in the necessary information if available. If the staff is single, you can ignore the spouse details. Click on Save and continue to move to the final step, which is for work and education. Select the staff profession if you have set it up, or you can click on Create New to set a new one. Select an occupation if you have set it up. Next, select an educational level. This also has to be set up at the Setups section, or you can click on Create New to create a new one. Select an employment type from your setup options. Or click on Create New to set a new one. Select an organization of employment from your setup options. And finally, select the occupation industry. Or click on Create New to create a new one. Click on the Save button to save your staff information. You can follow the same step to add as many church staff as you wish. This feature also allows you to view all your added church staff. To do this, click on the Data Entry menu, select Church Staff and click on View Church Staff. This will open up a table where you can view all the church staffs. Click on the button under Actions to view more details about a particular staff. Notice that the staff picture is not showing here. If you have this same problem, don't worry. You can edit it, but not in this section. Exit this window. To edit, let's go back to Add/Edit Staff. You can search for the staff you want to edit by staff ID, last name, or primary phone number. I will search by staff ID. The details of the staff you searched for will be in their respective fields. You can make your changes. Here I will add a name in the field for other name. Next, I will set the staff image because there is no image on it. After making your changes in this step, click on Save and continue to move to the next step. Make your necessary changes here and continue to the next step. Do the same here, make your changes if necessary and click on Save and continue. You can make any change you want here too. Notice there are two fields on your right where you can add a staff previous positions and educational background. Click on Previous Position to reveal an edit window. I have already added a previous position, but for a first-time user the table will be empty. Click on the calendar icon to select a date the staff held the position. Next, select the date the position ended. Type in the previous institution. Finally, type in the position held. And click on Save Changes. Your position will be saved in a table below. You can edit or delete a previous position. Click on Close to exit this window. Follow the same step to add an educational background if needed. Click on Save to update your changes. Your staff info will be updated. Let's go back to data entry, click on Church Staff, select View Church Staff to view the staff details. Click on the icon under Action to view more details about the staff. Notice the staff image can be seen now. Exit the window after viewing your staff details. Follow the same steps to add and edit as many church staffs as you wish. Please contact Cisco for more assistance if needed. Thank you for your attention.